Hello everyone. Today I received a new Panasonic cordless phone. I had ordered it yesterday from Amazon. So what I noticed first itself is the box does not have a plastic covering here. I'm not sure if somebody used it or is it always like this. So, and another thing which we notice immediately is that all the text mentioned is in English as well as Arabic. So there was a few review comments on Amazon saying this phone was not meant for India and it is using some other language as text. So if you see, the model number here is mentioned as TGD310 BXB. However, I saw on the site it was 310 EB. Let's open up the box and see what is inside. Thankfully, Amazon has probably given me an already open box, so just have to remove a few things. I think I can just use gravity to make it fall. It's very strange that they have given packing like this. Okay, let's open it up. There are some instructions on how to install it, how to install the batteries. Let's see what is inside the box. Okay, first of all, we get an adapter. Okay. This is 5.5 volt, 500 milliampere one. Okay. And let's see what else is there. Okay, bring the handset. Doesn't look bad. We have the user manual. Yeah, it's in Arabic. I think it should have English as well. Yeah, the operating instructions are in English. So I think this is an add-on. And you have the batteries. It's a nickel metal hydride. Okay, that's 550 milliampere hour. So keep going further and you can see we have the base unit. Yeah, just took out the base unit. What else is in the box? And we have a cable to connect the phone. That's it. Oh, there is something else? No, that's it. Before I ordered, I had checked whether the phone supports a frequency of 1.9 gigahertz, because I did not want any interference in the 2.4 channel, because our Wi-Fi networks run on the same channel. So I could only find this phone specs on the Middle East website from Panasonic. Fortunately, I think in the operating guide I can see it operates in 1.8 to 1.9 gigahertz, and you can see it supports DECT and some other power consumption specifications, and the range is 60 meters indoors and 300 meters outdoor. Power consumption is pretty low. That's good. Let's see what is mentioned on the box as features. So it supports eco function and the phone book entry. There is space for 120 entries, and we have 1.8-inch display and a speakerphone, and it has call blocking function for 50 entries and speed dial of 9 entries. Let's have a look at the unit itself. Yeah, the unit looks pretty nice, and the keypad has Arabic as well as English, so I don't see why people are complaining. Pretty neat. Let's have a look at the base unit. There is a button there. Let's see the unit's backside. Yeah, it is mentioned as BX here. There is the jack for power supply and the telephone connection. There's nothing more here. Looks pretty neat. There are some rubber washers or stand so that it holds to there's a proper hold when you keep it on some base. There you have it. It's pretty neat. The phone fits inside the base unit itself, so it looks neat. Also, it looks pretty compact. The rubber washers on the bottom give it a hold if you place it on a slightly polished surface. Let's install the batteries and boot it up. To install the batteries, we have to remove this, slide this cover, and you have the compartment for the battery. Okay. As soon as I inserted the battery, I hear a beep. Oh, there you have it. It's on. No link. Alright. So this handset uses a white display backlight. So, and the keypad is amber color. the backlight of the keypad. Looks pretty neat. Okay guys, I think I'll connect the base unit and test it out. That's it for this unboxing. See you in the next one. Bye bye.